Scraps, it's my turn on the computer. I'm trying to get Minecraft for free. Scraps, the last time you tried that, you fucking gave the computer 5 viruses. I don't give a fuck. The employees here aren't wanting to pay for Minecraft. Go outside, touch grass. I see a small stone without a leash. I will fucking throw you to boiling lava. Right, no leash necessarily. Understood. So I wanna do a backflip. Go ahead, buddy. That's a backflip and dice. Let's fuck. Pebble. Where's... No, really? Give me the toilet. And tell me about that later. That is actually so interesting. Dad, I'm an echo miner. I'm sorry? Echo miner! Roger, have you thought about changing your style? Excuse me? Well, actually, I have thought of getting a monocle. Oh, yeah. Then you look even fancier. Fuck yeah, I would. You two could be great detectives. Really? Is this a joke? No, really. You'd have secondary opinions on cases. Ooh, he likes acting. I can't stand it. Shut your bitches up. Well, it's not the Sigma Wrestler. Yeah, unlike us, Alphas, Wolf, Sigmas. Okay. That's an insult. Sigma Wrestler. Yeah, be offended. Oh, good to know then. And Wrestler, no Sigma points. The Alpha is gonna get you. Yeah! What's Wrestling? My Sigma? Yeah. Grizzling. I'm not familiar with that word. Could you educate me on what it means, perchance? Oh, okay. It's basically like being a Sigma and having the mirroring streak off all the time. Good to know, you two. Good to know. Do you want the whole FNAF floor? Sure. Fredbear's Family Dinner was founded in the year of 1967 by two enterprising individuals, William Afton and Henry. The Squant family establishment featured a friendly brown furry bear as its beloved mascot. In the early days, financial constraints led Henry to don the bear suit, and they couldn't afford to hire additional help. I lost it. Both Afton and Henry were pursuing their education during this period. With William focusing on engineering, while Henry delved into business, administration, and communication. That wasn't the whole thing, but okay. Mark off! Excuse me, what? Your time is limited. Wolf bark! I see a small stone without a leash. You get no bitches, Mr. A. Right. No leash necessary. Understood. Arf! That's a good rock. Shut the fuck up. Mark off. Bro? Say goodbye, Poppy. You see my friends going skibidi. What? Doody, be going skibidi. Bro. Aw, Shampoo, do you need a hug to turn that frown upside down? I hate skibidi toilet. What? I hate skibidi toilet. Never mind. Scraps! I told Shampoo he was pregnant. type shit. What type shit? Astro, you think I could get a good dream tonight, buddy? No, go leave me alone, you stupid bitch. You stupid butt. Pantai. Bye, Pantai. I hate Jeffy. Who's Jeffy? Is this kid that wears a helmet and a yellow shirt. He's screaming and crying because I called him a bad boy. Please notice me, senpai. Are you talking to me? Pebble. Morph, you ate Dandy's what? Arf. Good boy. Dandy doesn't need his wiener anyway. You might need, that's all. Yeah, I'm tired. Bye. Shut up.